Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today, you and I together will be making a side called sauteed spinach. Super easy and super quick. This is what you will need. Spinach, fresh or frozen, I prefer fresh. We have some olive oil and butter, we're going to use a combination, some garlic, and a pinch of Himalayan salt. So I'm going to start by just adding some olive oil to the bottom of my pan. I'm going to add a little bit of butter as well, because butter has a higher heat point than olive oil. Add that together. I'm going to add in my garlic. Nothing ruins a dish quicker than burnt garlic. So what we want to do is as soon as we can smell the aroma of the garlic, we go ahead and add our ingredient. I'm going to go ahead and salt my oil and garlic. It smells so good. I wish you could smell this. And now I'm going to add my spinach in. Spinach is one of those foods that shrinks an awful lot. So you can just keep kind of stirring it, and as it shrinks down, you can add more and remove it whenever you have enough for you and your family. And just like that, your spinach side is ready.